This tutorial will walk you through the process of accessing your course planning document. The Course Planning Document, or CPD, is a Google Doc that was shared with you during Module 1. On the date Module 1 is scheduled to open, please check your College of Charleston email account for an email from me, Jessica Smith. The email will contain a message providing instructions regarding the course planning document, and you will also notice a hyperlink. Click on this link in order to access your course planning document inside your College of Charleston Google Apps account. You will work on the course planning document throughout the entirety of the DE Readiness course, so you will be revisiting this Google Doc many times. Therefore, the easiest way to continue to access your course planning document is to look inside the Shared with Me folder on the left-hand side of your Google Drive account. If you click on Shared with Me, you should find your course planning document linked there. Simply click on the document in order to open it. If you do not see your course planning document listed in the Shared with Me folder, that indicates you are likely logged in to the wrong Google Apps account. Remember that for the duration of the DE Readiness course, you should only use your College of Charleston affiliated Google Apps account. You can confirm that you are logged into the correct account by looking in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. You should see your CFC email address listed there. When you click on your email address, you should see that listed under your name, as well as the notation that this account is managed by cfc.edu. If you do not see your CFC email address, you should sign out and log back in with your College of Charleston credentials. If you have not yet activated your College of Charleston Google Apps account, please do so immediately. Refer to the tutorial that will walk you through those steps. If you have any questions or problems accessing your course planning document, please post them in the Technical Questions discussion board inside the DE Readiness course in Oaks, or reach out directly to your instructional technologist.